Hey YouTube, Untamed here. Figured I would shoot a quick video of the TRD Catback exhaust here on the 2020 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro. So again, it's just a Catback. I'll fire it up, let it idle for a few seconds, and I'll give it a few revs. And just a heads up, it is warmed up already. So we'll jump right in. So there you have it. Nothing too crazy, of course, but it definitely has a nice, good rumble to it as you're getting on the throttle, or as you're getting onto a freeway. So definitely a good rumble. Some people think it has a little bit of a drone, but I disagree with that personally. I think it's the perfect amount of rumble. So at any rate, I'm just gonna make this a real quick video and just highlight that for you guys. As always, I appreciate you watching, and let me know if you'd like to see anything else. Until next time.